Hello students, welcome to IDBM Memorial classes. Now let us solve question number 2 of miscellaneous exercise 12. ठीक है, क्या है question? Find the length of the medians of a triangle with vertices A 006, B 040 and C 600. ठीक है, ये एक ट्रायंगल के वर्टिसेस गिवन है, तो हमें लेंथ ऑफ मीडियंस निकालना है. ठीक है, कैसे निकालेंगे? लेट अस सी. The given points are the given vertices of triangle ABC are A 006, B 040 and C 600. These are the vertices of triangle ABC. So let us draw a triangle ABC and then find the medians. ठीक है. So here this is the triangle ABC. ABC. ठीक है. Now coordinate of ABC are given. Here A is 006, B is 040 and C is 600. Now let D is midpoint of BC, E is midpoint of AC and F is midpoint of AB. ठीक है. So let here D is midpoint of AC, E is midpoint of D is midpoint of BC, E is midpoint of AC and F is midpoint of AB. ठीक है, AB का midpoint F, BC का D और हमने CA और AC का midpoint E ले लिया. Now since we know that the coordinate of midpoint is sum of their coordinates divided by 2, sum of the line segment joining the point BC, उनके जो एंड पॉइंट के इनके जो पॉइंट्स गिवन है B और C, उन दोनों के कोऑर्डिनेट से हम मिड पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट कैसे निकालते हैं? यूजिंग द मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला, दैट इज x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 and z1 plus z2 by 2. So here x1 की जगह 0 और ये 6 है. So coordinate of point D will be, हो गया, let D, E and F are midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB respectively. ठीक है, these are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB respectively. Then coordinate of point D will be, hence coordinates of point D is, क्या हो जाएगा? 0 plus 6 by 2, 4 plus 0 by 2 and 0 plus 0 by 2. ठीक है. Now जब हम इनका सम लेंगे तो दिस इज 6 by 2, 4 by 2 and 0 by 2. That will be equal to 3, 2 and 0. So coordinate of this point D is 3, 2, 0. ठीक है. Now once the coordinate of this point is known, we can find the length of median AD. ठीक है. Hence length of median AD equal to, क्या हो जाएगा? 3 minus, using distance formula, that is 3 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square and its square root. So this will be 3 square plus 2 square plus minus 6 whole square and its square root will be equal to 9 plus 4 plus 36, that is square root of, इन सभी का सम क्या होगा, 36 plus 4 40 and plus 9 49. So this is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. Means length of median AD is 7 unit. Similarly, E is midpoint of CA. Now since E is midpoint of CA, then coordinates of ER क्या होंगे, coordinate of ER here DR क्या होंगे, that is sum of these 2 points, that is here 6 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus 0 by 2 and 0 plus 6 by 2. This will be equal to 3, 0 and 3. So coordinate of midpoint E of side AC is 3, 0 and 3. ठीक है. Again is in distance formula, the length of median DE is, hence length of median DE equal to square root of 3 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. Now this will be equal to 3 square plus minus 4 whole square plus 3 square, that is 9 plus 16 plus 9, that is square root of 34. ठीक है. So length of median DE is square root of 34. Now F is midpoint of AB. Since F is midpoint of AB, then coordinates of FR क्या हो जाएंगे, 0 plus 0 by 2 plus 0 plus 4 by 2 plus 6 plus 0 by 2, that is 0, 2 and 3. So this is the coordinate of F, that is 0, 2 and 3. Therefore length of median CF is how much, hence length of median CF equal to square root of 6 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. This will be 6 square plus minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, that is 36 plus 4 plus 9 equal to square root of 49, that is equal to 7. So here is also length of median CF is 7. Thus we have found all the 3 medians. ठीक है. Hence the length of three medians of triangle ABC are 7, square root of 34 and 7. ठीक है. So this was to be calculated. यही हमें कैलकुलेट करना था। तो नोट करो, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन के साथ। ओके बाय।